It's 7 a.m. Sunlight peeks through my bedroom window. I reach for my favorite lipstick. Where is it? My vanity drawer is a chaotic jumble of makeup and brushes. Frustration builds as I dig through tangled cords and scattered palettes. Suddenly my phone buzzes, a reminder. Morning meeting in 20 minutes. Panic rises. Where's my lucky pen? My favorite blush? I sigh, wishing for a magic fix to this mess. Cut to yesterday. Amazon package arrives at my doorstep. I slice open the box, revealing clear, gleaming organizers. Vtopmart 25 PCS clear plastic drawer organizers set. 4 versatile sizes, perfectly stacked, ready for action. I lay them out on my vanity, admiring their transparency. Each bin clicks satisfyingly into place inside my drawers. Eyeshadow singles find a home in the smallest trays. Brushes line up neatly in a medium-sized bin. Lipsticks stand proud, sorted by shade, easy to spot. My favorite blush nestles right where I can see it. Next, I tackle my office desk. Paper clips, sticky notes, pens. No more rummaging. Every item has its own compartment. The clear design means instant visibility. No more guesswork. In the kitchen, utensils slide into the largest organizers. Measuring spoons, whisks, and spatulas finally in order. Even my junk drawer transforms. Batteries, scissors, tape, all sorted. Back to this morning, my hand glides over the organized trays. Lipstick found instantly, blush within reach, brushes lined up. I finish my makeup in record time, stress-free. Office supplies are right where I need them. No more frantic searching before calls or meetings. Kitchen prep is smooth, every tool at my fingertips. My entire home feels lighter, calmer, beautifully organized. The Vtopmart organizers blend seamlessly into any decor. Their clear, modern look suits my style and space. They're durable, easy to clean, and endlessly versatile. I rearrange bins to fit new needs. Makeup today, crafts tomorrow. Even my partner notices. Where'd you get these organizers? I smile, proud of my newfound order and efficiency. No more clutter, no more wasted time or energy. Every drawer in my home now sparks joy. I feel empowered, ready to tackle my day. The organizers turn daily chaos into calm every single morning. I can finally focus on what matters: creativity, productivity, peace. The set's 4 sizes make customization effortless. Small bins for jewelry, large trays for kitchen gadgets. Mix and match to fit any drawer, any purpose. I even use one for my skincare routine: serums, creams, masks. My bathroom counter stays pristine, everything in its place. Friends come over and marvel at my organized home. They ask for my secret. I tell them, Vtopmart. I show them how easy it is to order on Amazon. Fast, free delivery with Prime. My organizers arrived in days. No need to hunt for storage solutions in stores. Just a few clicks and my life changed for the better. I reflect on how small changes create big impact. A tidy space brings clarity, confidence, and calm. My mornings are smoother, my workdays more productive. Cooking is a breeze, cleaning up is simple. I even find time to relax with a cup of coffee. No more stress, just satisfaction and peace of mind. The Vtopmart set adapts as my needs evolve. From makeup enthusiast to organized professional, it fits every lifestyle. I recommend it to anyone craving order and simplicity. Home organizers, makeup lovers, busy office workers, this is for you. Transform your space, transform your day, transform your life. Ready to conquer clutter and reclaim your time? Don't wait. Discover the Vtopmart 25 PCS organizer set. Click the link below and experience effortless organization. Join thousands who've upgraded their drawers and daily routines. Your perfect organized space is just one order away. Bring home clarity, beauty, and calm, starting today. Vtopmart, the clear choice for a beautifully organized life. Order now on Amazon and unlock your home's true potential. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.